Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've got another video today of my unboxing stuff that I got off the BST and stuff that I got from Enfant Style on sale. So these two items, or actually three items, are stuff that I have owned before, maybe a year ago or maybe 2 years ago for one of them, and probably sold them about 8 months ago, and it's one of those things, you sell them and you regret selling them, so you know, as you do, you buy them again. So anyway, I'll do this one first. This is from Enfant Style, and I decided to go ahead and get the Be Classy in the Black Beauty. Let me just open it. There it is. I mean, this is such a pretty print. I really do like Black Beauty, and I don't even know why I sold this Classy. I think it was one of those things, actually, with both items. They were one of those prints that I was too scared to get dirty because they're kind of quite light, so I didn't want to get them dirty, and so I wouldn't really use them. I was like too scared to use them, but I've since decided that I'm going to use my bags. If I don't use my bags, then I just get rid of them. But I really did enjoy using this one, and I think it's such a nice print for the winter. It kind of brightens up whatever outfit you're wearing. So there is the Be Classy in the Black Beauty, and I also did get the Be Rich as well in the Black Beauty, and these were on sale. I think I only paid $20 Canadian for this, so yeah. And again, I owned this before as well, but hey, if you guys have been into Jujubee, I guess for at least a year, you guys are going to know that you kind of buy stuff, you sell it, and you rebuy it, so it just seems to be the thing. And then the next one, this is off the BST that I got from a really nice lady on there here in Canada. Oh, and she sent me, what are these? Oh, some face masks too, so I can pamper myself as well. Well, that was really nice of her. So anyway, this is the Be Sassy in Whimsical Watercolour, and I have owned this one before as well. The only difference is this one has the pink lining, so this one, I believe it was in Asia exclusive, I can't remember, but look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. See, mine didn't have the pink lining, mine had the, I think it's the grey. So that is really not the pink lining. Wow, that is really, really pretty. So there it is, the Be Sassy in Whimsical Watercolour. And I actually did use this quite often, but again, I was like scared to get it dirty. But these bags are washable, so you know, I can wash it. But yeah, look at that lining. It is so pretty. And I don't even know if she used this bag because the plastic's still on and the tags are in there. So this bag doesn't even look like it's been used. So there it is. So yeah, you guys will see some packing videos on these, I'm sure. But yeah, I love that. Wow, that is so pretty. So anyway, there is my quick unboxing on stuff that I got in the mail this week. Actually, I got a lot of stuff in the mail this week between these and the Harry Potter and my Lily Jade Shaylee. Yeah, it's been a good mail week for me. So anyway, any questions, please comment below, and thanks for watching.